Right. So these glasses are basically AR glasses with a serious side eye. Real-time Face ID on your field of view. That's some next-level stuff. New, next-level, or next-level invasion of privacy? The text immediately flags it as convenient but raises the alarm bells. Classic tech dilemma. Okay, the nitty-gritty. It's not magic, obviously. High-res cameras, onboard AI chips, probably specialized ASICs or FPGAs for speed, crunching data locally. Pre-processing is key, gotta clean up the noise before the AI gets confused. New, and then the fun part, training the model, feeding it mountains of labeled faces to teach it what constitutes a human face versus, say, a cat or a brick wall. Then, the feature extraction, mapping out those unique points. Sounds simple, but the accuracy is everything. Nan, exactly. And the matching process. Comparing that vector to a database, could be local, could be cloud-based. If it's cloud, you've got latency and security concerns right there. New, which leads us straight into the why this is terrifying section, because if you can do this easily, who's stopping someone else from doing it?
And here's the rub. Unconsented data collection. You walk down the street and suddenly your face is being scanned, identified, and maybe logged without a single heads up. It's creepy AF. Nan, totally. And the data misuse angle. Imagine someone using this for stalking, or targeted advertising, or worse. The potential for abuse is huge. New, plus, the security nightmare. What happens if the database gets breached? Your face becomes the ultimate identifier, harder to change than a password, and the legal frameworks often lagging behind the tech, leaving people exposed. Nan, yeah, and the social inequality aspect is huge. If this tech is used disproportionately against certain groups, it's just going to deepen existing divides. New, and don't forget the error rates. False positives could mean innocent people get wrongly flagged, leading to real-world consequences. It's not just a glitch, it's potentially harmful.
This is an entirely new territory though. Facebook's whole facial recognition fiasco back in the day was a big wake-up call. They were collecting data without telling users. New, and Google Glass, remember that? People were literally getting kicked out of restaurants for wearing it. The public reaction was visceral. Whoa, stop staring at me. Exactly, and even Apple's Face ID, considered pretty secure, got cracked using 3D printed masks, shows that even top-tier systems have vulnerabilities. New, then there's Amazon recognition and the bias issues. Different skin tones, different genders, the system wasn't performing equally well. Highlights the critical need for diverse datasets and rigorous testing. Nan, so yeah, history is littered with examples of facial recognition tech causing headaches. These glasses just take it to the next level of ubiquity.
So, how do we actually fix this mess? It's not just one thing. Tech companies need to step up their game. Stronger encryption, better hardware security, regular audits, and transparency. Let people know how these algorithms work and how accurate they are. Nan, agreed. Privacy-preserving techniques like differential privacy could help anonymize the data during processing. And definitely, robust opt-out mechanisms. But tech alone isn't enough. New, absolutely. Governments need to create clear, enforceable regulations. Define what's acceptable use, what's not. GDPR is a start, but needs to be adapted globally. Penalties need to bite. Nan, and us, the users? We need to be smarter. Wear masks, use blurring apps, be aware of our surroundings. Basically, become digital ninjas. New, and developers need to bake in privacy from the beginning, privacy by design. Think about fairness, think about bias, think about the impact on society. It's not just about making cool tech, it's about responsible tech.
So, wrapping it up, it's definitely a double-edged sword. Huge potential, but massive risks. New, couldn't agree more. It's a constant balancing act. We need everyone pulling in the same direction, individuals, companies, governments, to make sure this tech doesn't spiral out of control. Nan, yeah, Navigating the future of AI-powered vision is definitely going to be a wild ride.